Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stock trading with one of the most user-friendly platforms out there, Fidelity. If you're new to investing or just want to streamline your trading process, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Fidelity? It's a trusted brokerage firm that's been around for decades, offering a robust platform for buying and selling stocks, ETFs, and more. The best part? It's beginner-friendly with tons of educational resources to help you along the way. Step 1. Open an account. Head over to the Fidelity website or download their app. You'll need to provide some basic info like your name, email, and social security number for verification. Once you're approved, which usually takes just a few minutes, you're ready to fund your account. You can link your bank account or transfer money directly. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Fidelity's interface is intuitive, with sections for market news, your portfolio, and research tools. Spend some time exploring. Look for the Research tab to analyze stocks using charts, analyst ratings, and historical data. Now, the exciting part: placing a trade. Search for the stock you want, like Apple or Tesla, and click on it. You'll see options to buy or sell. Decide on the order type, market for immediate execution or limit to set your price, and enter the number of shares. Double-check everything before confirming. Don't forget to monitor your investments. Fidelity sends real-time alerts and has tools to track performance. Remember, trading involves risks, so always diversify and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small if you're a beginner. There you have it, a straightforward guide to trading stocks on Fidelity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. What's your first trade going to be? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.